Hey, Michael, the Mercedes guy here. And if you're considering replacing or working on your heater box and your AC evaporator on a 108, 109 car, even the 110, 111 cars, unless you've done it before, and it's going to be a first time for you, you're going to be better off with shipping me your car, and I'll do the job for you. It's about $4,000. But you'll save a couple years of aging in your mind, and you won't have a bunch of broken parts because it's a very involved job. And unless you've done it before, a first time is mind-boggling, because look at what you've got to pull apart. Major work. Now, I've done this dozens of times, and I know how to do it quickly, and I know the problems involved, and I can do this for you right. Contact me.